guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for the background noises. I'm sorry for the background noises. It's just my nanny's vacuuming. So today, welcome back to reborn, young reborn mama. Young reborn mama. I have basically so much reborns. You guys won't believe. They're not really reborns, but I don't care. So let's get started with the video. Today I'm going to be doing a reborn nursery slash toys room. So let's get started. I'm going to close this until the vacuum finishes. Okay guys, I'm sorry for the background noises, but I can't stop anything. My nanny's cleaning. Okay, so guys, basically here I have my reborn's clothing. Guys, I couldn't make the vacuum stop. I just closed the door on my nanny. So basically here we have, like here, let me show you guys, Here I have onesies, Here I have onesies basically, and then here I have outside clothing, and then here I have all of the sleeper, and then here I have one of the rompers. So then basically guys, we have a yoga mat. Yoga mat. I used to do yoga, but now I don't. Okay, whatever. And then here I have Miss Katie's diaper bag. And then here I have Donald that I am planning on bringing a boy, and then I will basically give it to the boy. So then here I have this workout thingy. I work out with it all day. And then here we have a stool that I don't really use. I just use in videos when I need to put like the camera in it. So then here where I keep all my okay, so guys, basically we finished the vacuum sound. Well, that's good. Now I can talk normally. Okay, so guys, of course, air conditioning remote and light. And then here we have a trash can. So then here is where... Okay, so guys, here is where I keep all my reborn. So here is basically where I keep all my reborn dolls. Dun, 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 dun. So yeah, let me show you. So first here we have Dr. Maya. And then here we have a Minnie Mouse. So yeah. And then here we have a puppet I really love. So some of them aren't reborn dolls. They're like, maybe alive dolls, American dolls. That's okay. Here are my two. So here is Miss Emily. And then she has with her toy that she named her Layla. Okay, Miss Emily, can you show us where you're sitting? Just kidding. Okay, so Miss Emily's sitting, and this is neck pillow for us, but it fits her perfectly, so. Okay, here we go. Okay, so then here we have Miss Zoe. She's looking cute today. So then she's like sitting in a American doll neck pillow, and these two are twins. The thing about them is this one has like brown hair, and then this one has like silicone hair. So that's the difference about it. But then here we have Miss Katie, American doll girl. She's wearing cute a dolphin outfit. She's wearing a dolphin outfit and jeans. Oh, sweetie, she hates these jeans. Okay, so then here I have my baby alive doll. She's wearing something cute also, Daisy outfit. Her name is Daisy. And then here we have Miss Hazel, looking cute, looking fire. Okay, so then here I want to show you guys this. So basically, here I have like me and my sister's picture, like she's drinking milk. So yeah, and then here I have E that stands for my reborn Emily. Okay, so guys, let's keep completing. And then here I have these people in different colors. And then here we have another E, which stands for my reborn Emily, my favorite one. So then here I have my sister's picture and this tape. Look at her, she's super cute. Okay. Okay, now let's go. Okay. So here I have this bouncy thing. It's bouncy because I bounce and my reborns love it. So let me take the mat away from there. Okay, and then here I have my reborn chair. This one turns on music. Now we need to wait for that. Okay guys, I paused this video until it's finished. Okay, and then here I have like this pad thingy. So, and then here are my reborns. Dun, 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 play mat. Let me show you guys. So basically here we have this animal theme. And then here I have this toy in it. And then this minion toy. And then here we have balls. And then I have this one that shows the camera. Then we have this one, you know. So then here we have a changing reborn mat. But my reborns love to sit in it, don't change. But sometimes I change. Sometimes I might switch them up. So, this is the high place. There is all my toys. And then here I have my sister's bathtub. And then that's my sister's closet. We're not going to go into it. Because basically here's dresses and blankets and diapers. And then here we have pajamas, clothing, sleepers, rompers. So that's there. And then here we have my reborn, Emily, and other reborns. What is this here? Okay, it's okay. Stroller. So basically, yeah, that's it. Okay, and then here I have my iPad on top of my Barbie car. I don't really use the Barbie dream house, that's why I put this one and glued it. So basically here I have a towel, my reborn's towel, and then have this one that I did and then glued. And then here I have like all my, let me show you guys. Let me get you guys in. Okay, here I have basically all of my dolls, and then I have my reborn's favorite flexible Barbie doll. So that's Barbie dream house. And then here I have like this high chair, my reborn high chair. Okay, and then here I have the kitchen. Most viewed kitchen. Okay, so then here I have this speaker that sings lullabies for my reborn. I have this crochet thing. And then here I have this horse. And then flowers. And then here I have me and my family's picture. My mom and dad. You know what, yeah. Okay, and then here I have this horse thingy inside my family's pictures. And then here I have a teeter toys for my reborns. And then here I have like microwave that has some stuff in there. Ooh. Okay, so then here I have like the unicorn play set, and then here I have my medicine, and then here I have all the bottles, the back. Okay, and then here I have the oven, and then flowers, and then I made this cup. There's sticks in it with that blue tape, and then here I have flowers. And then I have a phone in the sink. I don't know why. And then you have this bell. My reborns love playing with. And then here I have little Zoe's sleeping area. And then here I have like reborn food and stuff. And then here I have chairs so that my reborns can sit here and play. And then here I have the water wipes and candles. I usually take these out when my reborns want to play. And then here I have my reborn bed. Oh gosh. Oh god. I don't know what that. Okay. And then here I have my reborn Emily's bed. So then here, I did not show you guys this, but on top of my kitchen I have this a colorful picture I did. And then here I have my sister's picture, me and my mom, and then other pictures, you know. And then here I have like my sister's picture. Let me show you guys my sister's picture. And then here I have this is a calendar for my reborns. And then here I have butterflies, flowers, and then that sunset. And then here I have like this flory picture. I don't know why, but that's just for decoration here now. Okay, and then here I have this place. I put some stuff here. So then here I have like all the stories. My reborns folder, my reborn Emily folder, and then stories. And then here I have all of the diapers for my reborns. Glue gun, and then here I have like a towel, and then a changing mat, and then a mat, and then some notebook, and then here I have all of the ribbon passies, you know, tape. Oh, this tape shouldn't be here. Shoes, passies, you know, mixed up things. And then here we have all of my accessories, and then here I have my reborns place area, like headbands, and then shoes, and yeah. And then, I didn't show you guys this in a whole while. So then here I have basically special clothing. and bibs. And then here I have like blankets and stuff. So that's there. So then here I have the toys and diapers, and then under it hats. Ow! So then that's basically all the nursery. So yeah, bye guys.